Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today's topic is for 11th class, and we are going to discuss powers and functions of Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has vast and enormous jurisdiction. Its powers can be classified under various headings. Firstly, original jurisdiction. According to Article 131, original jurisdiction covers all those cases which can originate directly in the Supreme Court. For example, dispute between central and state governments, or disputes between state governments and the cases related to violation of fundamental rights. This is the original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. The second one is appellate jurisdiction. Being highest court of appeal from all courts in India, Supreme Court hears appeals in regard to interpretation of the Constitution in civil cases, criminal cases, and special appeals. The third jurisdiction is advisory jurisdiction. According to Article 143, if it appears to the President that a matter of public importance or a question of law has arisen and is expedient to obtain the opinion of the Supreme Court, the President may refer the question to the court for consideration, and the court may report after hearing it, if it feels so, to the President its opinion thereupon. However, the opinion of the Supreme Court is not binding upon the President. Likewise, there is no constitutional compulsion for the court to give its advice. This is the advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Number fourth heading is the custodian of fundamental rights. According to Article 32, the Supreme Court acts as the guardian of fundamental rights of citizens of India. The Supreme Court can declare any law null and void passed by any legislature if it encroaches upon fundamental rights granted by the Indian Constitution. Point number fifth, judicial review. A very important function of Supreme Court is the power of judicial review. Any law passed by any state legislature is declared null and void if it contravenes any of the provisions of Indian Constitution. Thus, judicial review is the important function of the Supreme Court. Number 6, to review its own judgment. According to Article 137, the Supreme Court has the power to review its own judgment and reverse its earlier decision. And the last one is the court of record. Supreme Court also acts as a court of record Its decisions are printed and they act as precedents in other cases. The Supreme Court is empowered to punish a person even for contempt of court. So, dear students, these are the powers and functions of Supreme Court. I hope that you may write down a short note on the powers and functions of Supreme Court. That is all. Okay.